It's me, Abby, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, pupunta tayo ng Tagaytay and we will have a staycation. So yeah, right now we're in a car and we're in Amadeo. I'm with my family, pero hindi lahat sila sama namin sa staycation kasi the iba is for a trip only. Here's Queen. Here's Sisi. Can you say hi? Can you say hi? Over there, Sisi. And here's Mama. Si Erin natulog. Ay, hindi gising. Si Ate Arch. Here's Khalil. Are you foggy today? Hi! Now we're at Tagaytay. So wala na pang tawag doon, pang lunch. Ito na kami sa van. We're just finding somewhere to eat. You're hungry? Are you hungry? No, not yet. Okay. I'm so sorry. Pero gusto niya ng food. We're at Cabecera. So we're about to order. We're currently at Cabecera. This is here. It's pet friendly. Kung gusto niyo na sobrang gandang view, this is a nice place to go. But I think it's medyo pricey side. But I think the view is so worth it naman. Finish eating. We're just waiting for our family members to go here. And Sisi's eating her treats because she's hungry. Ito na yung accommodation namin for a few days. Here's the aircon. Speed check. Nandito po kami ngayon sa McDo kasi wala po kaming tirahan. Homeless in Tagaytay. Homeless din po ang cat. Tutulog po siya. And makain kami, humahanap kami ng tirahan dahil nagka-problema doon sa pinakita ko sa inyong location. Chika ko na lang mamaya. Hey guys, it's another day. So today we already have a new place to stay in. We woke up a little late than we usually do and plan. I mean not do because we all wake up late. So yun. Our place right now is a 2-story house with 3 bedrooms and all rooms have their own bathroom and aircon and TV. So it's a win-win situation. We found a place around 11 p.m. last night. So it's a little hectic because we have to stay in the McDonald's for at least the whole night. My voice is so scratchy right now because of the weather. I'm not used on the cold weather. So yun. Here's my baby eating some snack with yun. So we're going to go out and eat around 10. So I'm going to update you guys. And I'll see you later. Bye! Strawberry taho. May nanonood. Ay, sorry. May nanonood na pausa. Taho. everyone! So, nakauwi na kami. Galing kami sa picnic group. Hindi ako makapag-video ng ayos kasi si Sisi po ay nai-stress ang baby sa init. Mainit ngayon sa Tagaytay. Sabi niya malamig ngayon. So, yun. Paggabi naman, sobra yung lamig. Pero kanina, grabe yung araw, napapaso ang aking skin. So, maya-maya, mga 30 minutes from now, pupunta kami sa People's Park para gumala. So yun, nagpalit muna ako ng skirt. Yung skirt. Which is matatakpan naman pag nag-motor kami with a jacket. Kasi sobrang haba ng pants ko and maraming lakarin na naapakan ko yung pants ko. So nahihirapan lang ako. And this is my bag and this is my outfit. Ng People's Park. Dito foggy, so kita yung view ngayon. You can see it there. We're at People's Park pa rin. Pero, hindi pa kami nakain. Ito yung view. You see that? I finally found somewhere to eat. We're at Silang. Yung makeup ko hulas na. Alis sila. Alis na yung may-ari pero pinagbigyan niya kami kumain. Hello! We're at Carlos of Silang and today we're just gonna tour. So, dito tayo ng tao right now. Pero sana mamaya medyo mag-lighten yung tao para makapag-picture kami. So, nagbibigay sila ng ganito for 120 per person. So, sana worth it. Let's see. Hello vlog! So, I'm back. Nag-ayos muna ako and bumalik kami sa accommodation para mag-rest ng konti and prepare ourselves for the gala. This will be our last night here in Tagaytay. Kasi bukas pa uwi na rin kami. And this is my outfit. And nagpa-braid ako ng my hair is so pretty. Hi everyone! So, nasa Mahogany Market kami. Pero, ito yung bulaluhan. Kumain na kami sa bulalo kanina. Ay, last time, nung una namin punta dito. Kaya, nung kaninang naghanap kami, na-overwhelm lang kami. Then, we decided to eat in front of it. May parisan. And sobrang solid ang luto ni ate. Pati yung sisig niya, solid. Pakita ko yung stall ni ate mamaya. Ayun yung parisan ni ate. Sobrang solid dyan. To a lot of cafe. Wala kami makita. Pero dito is meron. It's Camila's Maisa. I'm waiting for an order. Nagugutom kasi ako late at night. So, nagpa-deliver ako ng Jollibee. Ang delivery fee lang is 100 pesos, but it's okay. I'm hungry. So, we're waiting for our order. Kahit saan kami mapadpad, lagi kami na-order ng pagkain. Hi vlog! It's a third day and I'm feeling under the weather right now, but I'm okay. I think I can pull it through. And this is my outfit. I just borrowed some clothes to Queen. This is the outfit. Let me show you. Yan. I'm just wearing a polo shirt and my leggings. Yeah. I'm just wearing this bandana for the motorcycle. I forgot that they had this, so that my hair won't be messy. Picture. Did you see she? Hi vlog, I'm back home. So, quick recap of what happened. We went to SPD farm lastly and nagbumili rin kami ng food sa Amiras and we just ate on Parisan dahil nahirapan kami maghanap ng accommodation tuloy ng ride. Medyo hindi na talaga ako nakapag-vlog, so nakauwi na may klase pa ako tomorrow. So I'm just gonna end the vlog here. Thank you for coming with us to this Tagaytay trip.